Well, I am a homeowner in this neighborhood for 25 years, and whenever I do any work now, I try to investigate the contractors that I'm going to use. And in the case of Flores Landscaping, I went on Yelp and I checked all the landscaping companies in Los Angeles, Hollywood area, and Flores came up with the best customer satisfaction, number of stars, and overall best grades. So I had talked with a total of 3 contractors before I talked with Flores, but then they came over, and between my landscape architect and myself, we decided that they were the best company for the job. If I was talking to anyone else about Flores, just like me, I'd say do your due diligence, check around, talk with other landscape companies, contractors. But what I found is that they're very professional, they do good work, the prices are fair, the people are honest, and they care. They're not just wham bam, thank you ma'am, take the check, and off they go to the next job. They want to make sure that you, the customer, are satisfied. The reason I'm looking, or have been looking for landscape services, is that a yard such as this is a living, breathing, ongoing situation. And because, as I was telling you earlier, I look at a plant and it dies, I need someone who knows how to trim the plants properly, knows how to make sure they're getting enough water, weed, Roundup if the weeds are the type that require Roundup. So an ongoing maintenance service, to me, is a crucial part of the whole process. You know, it's not like a house that once you redo the kitchen, you need them in there every 2 months to redo something. This is something that is living, breathing, and needs ongoing attention. I'd just like to thank all the people, Flores at Flores Landscaping, Claudia, Eric, Raimundo, the team that was in here working. Everybody did a great job. You know, like I said, in any large undertaking such as this, you need professionals, and what I was most impressed with was their professionalism and their ability to please the customer and get the job done right. And that's what they did.